The next 5 functions on this machine deal with speed. They're all changed the same way. You simply put the cursor next to the particular function you wish to change, then press the Set button. Then type in the value within the range that is given for that particular function. The maximum speed determines the maximum speed the machine will run at. For instance, maybe we never want to sew a design over 850 stitches per minute. Using the up-down button, I put the cursor next to maximum speed, then press the Set button. The range in this particular function is from 300 to 1200 stitches per minute. If I want to max the machine out at 850 stitches per minute, I type in 850 on the numeric keypad, then press the Set button to lock in that value. The minimum speed is the minimum speed at which the machine will sew. The jump speed is the speed at which it will perform a jump stitch. The INC speed is the speed at which it inches. The inching or incremental speed is when the machine first starts sewing. It's that slow speed at which it sews before it starts running at its normal operating speed. It's also the speed at which the machine sews when you press and hold the Start button in without releasing it. The slow speed is the speed at which the machine will sew when it is in the slow speed mode. We find this setting in the Edit button. We will take a look at this function in greater detail at another section of this video.